JP Senior Woodworks, custom built-ins and handcrafted furniture, inspired by traditional American craftsmen and the beauty of natural wood. Visit us at jpseniorwoodworks.com.
This is our J.A. Vance number 40 Sawmill. We recently purchased for JP Senior Woodworks. It's an old circular mill. It's got 4 head blocks. It's got that the pulley and the cable drive. You stand right by the mandrel and control. It has a chain that pulls the sawdust out into a big pile. And that chain runs down underneath. You can see the chain up barely in the back. There's the mandrel. This mill can handle several different size blades, but our blade is a 60-inch blade, so 5 feet. And it's mainly designed for cutting hardwoods. And there we are powered by a Detroit diesel 471.
JP Senior Woodworks, custom built-ins and handcrafted furniture, true creative craftsmanship. Visit us at jpseniorwoodworks.com.